What's the meaning of citrus? Citrus. Citrus.
Citrus. Citrus. Citrus refers to a group of fruits that belong to the family Rutaceae and are characterized by their acidic taste. This group includes fruits such as oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and tangerines. Citrus fruits are known for their high content of vitamin C and are widely consumed all over the world. They are used both for their juice and as a flavoring agent in cooking and baking. In addition to their nutritional value, citrus fruits have also been linked to various health benefits, including improved immunity, digestion, and heart health, among others.